Welcome to this Sahara 4 exercise. In this exercise, we will import the Wellworks information associated to the ESP, the extraction system electrical submersible pump. For that, we will go to our project, and once here, in the same vein that we did for the Sahara rod pump, we will go to Wellworks, extraction systems, our Excel where we have all the information, and here we will look for the worksheet ESP. Here we will define the equipment type as electric submersible pump, which in this case we will see that all the data in this table is associated to this kind of extraction system. So we will just select it here in the file options. Then we will review now the columns and the units. Here we have the well that is going to be associated to this information. All these wells have ESP in one moment of at some moment in their life. Here we have the date, month, the year, which is correct. The brand, model, and stages don't have any units. Here we have to modify the rates, max flow rate in cubic meter per day. Here as well, all the rates we have to modify the units. Remember that we do this because the units that are defined for this project are imperial units, but the units that were defined in the original table are in kilos, sorry, in international units, so we have to consider this change. Here all the power and electrical units are the same. Here we have all the different voltages and amperage associated to the pump, and here we have the depth of the pump, so we have to check which depth is the correct one. Pump depth. Here this keyword has to be reviewed because it's not being recognized, so we have to do it manually. And here we see that the depth of the pump is defined in the original table in meter measure depth, so we have to import in the same units, and we click on import. And now we see that this information has been imported, only with this typical warning here that we shouldn't pay attention to because this has been exported from another SATA file. So everything has been imported correctly. We had 31 records associated to ESP, and we can close this window. Now in the next exercise, we will plot this information in the production window. Thank you for watching and have a great day.